Hey guys, it's Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I would love to show you our brand new 2026 Bennington 23 MSL. This is the stern lounger layout. This boat has the tritoon package with the SPS Performance Package on the tunes. We've got the blackout Lux package, so all of our rub rails and panel rails are all anodized black. We've got our integrated dock lights and nav lights. Guys, this color is rosa red. It's a beautiful color. We're going to walk around to the other side of the boat because right now with this shadow, it just doesn't give it any justice. So let's go around and look at that color on the other side. Guys, we're standing here in the sun. You can really see how this red pops. You can see the metallic flake in there. It really looks great with this blackout Lux package. Let's walk around to the back of the boat. We can take a look at what we've got. Hey guys, we're here at the transom of the boat. We can see that we've got the Mercury 200 horsepower motor on the back. We've got our lily pad ladder, super easy to deploy and retrieve, makes it really easy to get in the boat. We've got our ski tow bar for all of your water sports. Let's walk up on the boat and take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 23 MSL. This is the stern lounger layout. Up here in the bow of the boat, we've got our forward chase lounges. On the M series, we have the fold down armrest on either side. Nice little cubby there for your phone and a phone charger, as well as your tucked away cup holders there. Lots of storage underneath both sides. We've got a removable table. As we move back to the helm, you can see we have the large Vivid UX screen for all of your engine data and your running stats. We've got our soft touch buttons here by the steering wheel for all your accessories, as well as our Rockford Fosgate audio. This is a tilt steering wheel. We've also got a couple nice cubbies here over by your binnacle for storage. Super comfortable captain's chair. This is in the Dolce color. We've got the red accents as well. Over here on the port side, we've got our swing back co-captain's chair on this bench, as well as our slide out trash can, flip up table, and our slide out dog bowls. As we move back, you can see this is the stern lounger layout. So we've got these lounge chairs on either side, but they can be easily converted to lay flat. And these guys here will tip up, so that way you can lounge facing rearward. We've got our manual bimini on this boat. It's the 10-foot bimini, gives you lots of shade. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or would like to come see it in person, stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call.